Assalamu alaikum, namaste, namaskar, my dears. Myself, Astanov Shafik Munjanvich. I am Dean of Medical Faculty at Jalalabad State University. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. If you want to say something about our faculty was opened 13 years ago, and currently now in our university studying more than 3,000 students, mostly foreign students from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Nepal. And about our university and our faculty, it is English medium university where students can study only in English, and for first and second year students we have foreigner teachers who can teach for them in Urdu, in Hindi and of course in English. Other subjects like Kyrgyz language, Russian and Latin language teaching by local teachers who are speaking very well English. Then currently now more than 40 teachers from Nepal, India, Bangladesh and Pakistan working in our university and taking class for our beloved students. Every year in passing FMG exams, Jalalabad State University have very good results. Jalalabad State University Medical Faculty one is of the best medical faculties in Kyrgyzstan, and we have very good simulation center for our students where you can do practice before when you go to hospital. In our simulation centers, we have enough new dummies, 5th and 6th generation. It's simulation robots where our students can auscultate heart sounds, lung sounds, abdominal sounds. They can check BP, pulse, and they can do CPR for these patients. It's really like patient and it's very useful for medical education. One more dummy where we can teach for our students rules of intensive therapy, rules of CPR, and students can learn pathological conditions of respiratory system and cardiovascular system and doing defibrillation and giving some injections, and they can give simulation exams from this room for adult people in intensive therapy department. One more simulation robot of our simulation center, it is a robot for learning pathological conditions on baby's body. It's special for pedia for teaching cardiovascular system disorders and respiratory system disorders. And in these dummies we can do intubation also for childs and doing CPR. And our students, before when they will go to hospital practice, they're learning all this knowledge here in simulation center. Patient care, nursing, it's a very important part of hospital practice. And of course, before when we're sending our students to hospital, we're teaching everything in this room. And students learning rules of injections, doing catheterization, patient care, everything. And before when they will go to hospital practice, they will be ready to doing any work in this hospital and help for nurses and doctors. One of the rooms of simulation center, it is surgical room. It is surgical room number 1 where our students can learn rules of suturing and examination of surgery patients, and they can see examples how they're doing this suturing. And before when go to hospital, they already know how we need to do suturing, doing examination of surgical patients, and it's very helping for our students. And you can see we simulated surgical operation room, and we explain before when our students are going to hospital how it is working and where our students can stay, rules and regulations in surgical room. Now we are in gynae simulation room where you can see many dummies. It is last generation dummies which want to help for teaching this subject for our students. And they can do many practice for suturing, for doing delivery. Why? Because you can see one more dummy here who can automatically show process of delivery. It is special robot who is showing rules of delivery, and they can learn, they can do in process how will be delivery process in women's, and you can show, you can see it's special robot who will show all process of delivery, and students can see and learn, and when they will go to hospital they will be ready to help to any woman. So in Jalalabad State University Medical Faculty, we are collaborating for hospital practice and hospital classes with many government and private hospitals in Jalalabad region. And we have more than 50 collaboration contracts with these hospitals where our students can study. And one more news, soon will be open our private Doing Good clinic where our students will be working with patients and they will be ready to become to doctor. Admission for September session 2023-24 already open. If you have dream, become a doctor. Welcome to Jalalabad State University Medical Faculty of Kyrgyzstan.